People knew that we were important people because they know we bore the symbols of the gods. That's right! The fashion statement you making today is a joke. It's you promoting a brand that enriches your oppressor. But this whole history of rocking symbols to get a certain effect from people is very old. The people that's using that against us now, we the one taught them this. Now they using it on us. We bore the sigils and symbols of the gods. And wherever the fuck we went with these symbols, people respected that. It's like he's from the Tartarian Empire. You talking about a huge world utopia. Everyone bore these symbols. They was all over the place because everyone was sovereign. There were small pockets of civilizations that we call barbarians. And these people were excluded from the greater world Eden that we had. And they was practicing these dog-eat-dog capitalistic systems outside of the greater, larger utopia. That's where the barbarians come from. We were the majority before the reset. After the reset, they populated the earth with more barbarians than Tartarians. Tartarians, 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 Tartarians.